you pretty much need a 2-inch wheel spacer, which I went with 1.5-inch wheel spacer. Now we'll reinstall the sway bar link. Radiator hose blistered. The Rangers. Man, the walls of that thing started going up. Why is it not charging? Hey guys, Scott here for After Hours Automotive. Coming to you today with a quick tip. Working on a 2002 Chevy Malibu here. It's a 3100 3.1 liter. And we're doing the lower intake gaskets. Had a little coolant leak right here. You'll see plenty of these videos online about the detailed process to do this job. But you have to remove the push rods in order to remove the intake gasket. And Lisle makes a tool. The part number is 48300, I believe. Yeah, 48300, and it's a great tool. It looks like it'll do just fantastic. You can see the videos of the guys using it online. But here's my problem. I needed to get this done like today, really yesterday, but now today, and certainly by tomorrow. And so O'Reilly can order this tool in. They say it'll take till tomorrow evening, and that puts me out another day, and then another day to finally get it done. And I just couldn't wait. Summit didn't have one in stock around here. O'Reilly didn't have it. Advanced has a special order. AutoZone doesn't even list Lisle tools apparently. So I was starting to decide that I was going to have to take all these rockers off, which I guess is like the old school way. Now we have this cool tool. We don't have to do all that. And it's supposed to save a lot of time. And I was like, well, I could make a tool that could probably take a... Fuck GoPros, just for the record. Like me, my buddy, we all have GoPros. They're pieces of shit. Buy the Asian ones. My brother has had like 3 of them. They give no problems. Like this one keeps glitching out. I know that you're getting tired of watching this bullshit. But anyway, on to what I was saying. So it'll take a long time to make the tool. It'll take a long time to take the rockers off. It'll take a long time to order another tool from Lisle. It's just inconvenient. I need this done right now. So here is my solution. A piece of angle iron that you can drill some holes in. You'll have to find out exactly how long, what, about 2 inches by 1/8 of an inch off the edge. Piece of, this is 1 1/2 by 1/8 by, was 72 inches. Angle iron, and I've got 2 bolts here. You can see one right there and one right here, and it's simple as pie. You hook this guy behind here like this, and you're able to raise the rocker. Okay, since I'm gonna just show you real quick. Put one of these on each side, because once you get to this one, you won't have room to squeeze your nut and all that in there. So I put one on this end where I can easily just flip it around and hook this next guy. And you can see the rocker is just bouncing. Now we're back to another one like this. I can just flip it back around. Rocker, flip it back around right here. And I'll go ahead and take this one off if I can with one hand and do all this, so that you can see how it works. So anyway, and be sure and keep all these guys in line, in order and all that. But if you don't have the option to wait for shipping, and you don't have the, I don't know, don't want to cut up steel and weld and all that, I found a super easy method. Grab you some couple little bolts, drill these holes here, and you're able to remove your push rods and get this job done today rather than waiting 3 more days. Thanks guys, catch us on the next one. We always appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, do all those goods. And on that note, don't buy a GoPro. Not worth it. $100, $250. Me and my buddy have both spent on these things. Glitch, act up all the time, overheat. Buy a Chinese one from freaking Amazon or eBay. I'm an eBay fan. Buy the one from eBay. Catch you guys next time. Thanks, bye. Hard right.
Gotta have Jack Daniels. Always. Scott's over here cutting wood. This is our makeshift fire pit.
Bacon and eggs and biscuits on this here fantabulous fire. Alright guys, be sure and hit that like button if you like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see in the near future. Thanks. See ya.